I got a gift in the mail the other day from my friend Steve Rouse at Stanislaus Food Products. He sent me a can of Alta Cucina, one of their premier tomato products. And here's the sauce right here. I'm gonna make pizza with it and I'll let you know how it turns out. Unfortunately, it's only available commercially for commercial pizzerias, but I have a resource and I'm gonna put it in the link below so you can get Stanislaus. It's amazing. I know a lot of my pizza professional buddies use it. It's really incredible. Thank you, Steve. I'm gonna put a link in this video to where you can find out more information about Stanislaus. So let's see how it turns out. The tomatoes look just fantastic. As you can see, this is a number 10 can, which is a commercial can. And it's really a lot for my usage. If I have some left over, I know that I can freeze it without any problem. But I think I'm also going to make some eggplant parmesan. I'm going to make a sauce and I'll use it for my eggplant. We'll see how it turns out. It looks like amazing sauce. The taste is so fresh and wonderful. This is Alta Cucina from Stanislaus. They are an incredible food company, and if you have a pizzeria, I highly recommend that you give them a try. They're wonderful, and they're wonderful people too, I have to say. Steve has been a big supporter of me and pizza therapy, and I greatly appreciate the friendship. And here's what the Stanislaus tomatoes look like. They look incredible. Plump, juicy, fresh, and ready to go. I did make a sauce. Okay, gravy out of the Stanislaus tomatoes. The sauce turned out great. Full of flavor, ripe red tomatoes, just delightful. And the pizzas were incredible. The Stanislaus tomatoes were a great base for the pizza. I highly recommend Stanislaus Tomatoes for anyone who owns a commercial restaurant. You can find out more about this wonderful company by going to stanislaus.com. You'll also be able to discover the philosophy of Stanislaus as well as some great recipes. It's a great website. If you own a restaurant, you really need to check them out. Thanks again, Steve, for the wonderful gift. I'll put a link to all resources below this video, and I'll also include a secret link where you can get your own Stanislaus tomatoes for yourself. It'll be below this video. And while you're here, if you could please show some pizza love and subscribe. Pizza on Earth, goodwill to all.